Task number 3. Not really part of organizing the shop. It still needs to be done with the Giraffe Tools, the pressure washer, the shop vac. Can you take a guess? Let's go.
I'm unstoppable. I'm a butcher with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yeah, I win every single game. Mine's about.
All right, the outside's clean. I'm gonna use, this is just a cheap bottle, but it's called Bead Maker, and it is a paint protectant. So that's step 2. Basically just soak your entire car. And then we're gonna wipe it off with a microfiber. And you should only do this if your car already has a nice coat of wax on it. I waxed mine not too long ago, which is why I can just do the Bead Maker now.
I don't need batteries to play.
This is what the bottle looks like. We just get it on Amazon. I'll try to remember to link it. I need to fill up this bottle so that I can do the roof of the car.
I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today.
All right, we got all the trash out of the car. The outside's all clean. Now we're gonna use the Giraffe shop vac and vacuum it all out. This is not an ad, but you can see that the Giraffe shop vac works just as well, if not better, than the shop vac brand shop vac. Not bad for something that mounts to a wall. All right, so I'm gonna finish getting this vacuumed and clean all the plastics on the inside and call it a day. I hope you guys have had a wonderful Easter.